Let's discuss the different types of conductors used in transmission lines. Transmission lines carry electricity over long distances, and the conductors used in these lines come in various types, each operating for specific purposes. Firstly, there are basic conductors like the all aluminum conductor AAC, which is made up of lightweight aluminum and works well for shorter distances in low stress areas. The all aluminum alloy conductor AAC is similar but uses aluminum alloy strands, making it stronger and resistant to corrosion, suitable for coastal and polluted regions. The aluminum conductor steel reinforced ACSR is a common choice, featuring aluminum strands wrapped around a steel core. This design provides strength, making it suitable for medium to long distance transmission lines. Covered conductors such as ACSR with aluminum wires or aluminum conductor steel supported include additional layers for protection and insulation, improving corrosion resistance and overall strength. For situations where high temperatures are a problem, there's the aluminum conductor composite core ACCC. This conductor has a composite core that enhances heat resistance, reducing sag and allowing for longer spans between transmission towers. In cases where both high temperature and low sag are critical, the thermal resistant aluminum alloy conductor steel reinforced is used. TACSR conductors can withstand higher temperatures, reducing sag and enabling longer distance between towers. Looking ahead, there is an ongoing research into high temperature superconductors. These materials show zero electrical resistance at extremely low temperatures, offering the potential for highly efficient power transmission. While still in the experimental phase, HTS conductors hold promise for revolutionizing power transmission in the future. In summary, the choice of conductor depends on factors like transmission distance, environmental condition, and the need for mechanical strength. Engineers carefully select the most appropriate conductor type for each transmission line, considering these factors to ensure efficient and reliable power delivery. Let me know in the comment section next video on which topic you need.